Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Requirements during the installation of the steam machine: 3-phase connection with proper earthing, 25 AMP MCB, water connection for ½ inches pipe, 20 to 60 TDS water. Connect both nozzles to the solenoid valve. Put the foot pedal down. Fit the water filter correctly. Connect the water cleaning pipe to the drain valve. Connect the water inlet pipe to the filter and make sure the pipe clapper locks on a filter to ensure proper sealing and prevent water leakage. Securely connect the machine to the power supply, ensuring a stable and reliable electrical connection for optimal functionality. Open the ball valve manually to supply water until the minimum water level is reached. This procedure is required when the tanks are empty. Ensure the water is manually filled up to the minimum level to prevent potential heater failure. Now close the manual ball valve. Close the steam releasing ball valve, ensuring that both ball valves of the glass tube are in the open position. Activate each switch one by one. Wait for steam generation and start working once steam production light gets off.